These videos were originally intended for my own amazing grandkids, Maya, Jacob, Zachary, Amelia and Inika. But we thought, having made them, why not let everybody play? April 2020, all of our lives have been turned upside down with this coronavirus. So we've been looking for things to amuse ourselves at DIY Doctor. And our sister building company Foundation's up. We just need to have some fun during the day. And so we thought we'd try a few science experiments. Then we kind of figured you might get something out of them as well. So this is for all the people stuck indoors that have got a few of these bits and pieces. I had no idea how much stuff scientists need. But we hope you have fun with it, and we're going to be making some cool stuff. Okay, so for our first experiment at home, you're going to need a roll of roofing felt, a little drill, a gallon of creosote, and a chop saw. Not really. Hi, welcome to another DIY Doctor science experiment. No hard hat. Hard hats go with the word experiment. Okay, we're going to make a small volcano out of half a lemon. We didn't know what to call it, so we played about with the word lemon and we played about with the word volcano, and we came up with a name for this experiment. We're calling it Brian. So to do Brian, cut the lemon in half. You'll have to get an adult to help you, and it's a good idea to cut the bottom off the lemon as well, so it's got a flat edge to sit on. So we put the bits we don't need over there. Get a skewer, a stick, a pencil, something, and then just poke about. Make a little hole in each segment. You'll see the segments of the lemon, and I expect if the camera zooms in a little bit. So you're creating a lot of lemon juice, which is acidic and causes all sorts of reactions. Now we're going to pop that on a plate. Bring the plate over here, and then into the segments we're going to tip a little bit of food colouring. Doesn't matter what colours you use. Okay, and a little bit of blue, just a tiny bit of blue there. And then we're going to get a bit of detergent, fairy liquid, whatever, on top of that, and then we're going to add a teaspoonful, or this is a bit bigger than a teaspoon, but a spoonful of baking powder, and see what happens. And we get our stick and we stir the lemon up again, and watch what happens. So as we create more lemon juice, the bigger reaction we get. So how pretty is that? And that's why we call it a mini volcano. So you can try Brian at home. It's a great experiment.